string concatenate, basically written in short form strcat. This strcat is used when we want to join two strings. Except this operator, we cannot merge or copy string using any other function, thing or anything in this language, right? Like for example, if we want to do like this, a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20 and d is equals to a plus b. This can be done if a and b and d have integer data types. But if we consider this 10 and 20 as strings, if we want that, and we assume that these two strings should be added, then we cannot add string like this by using a plus operator, right? Or secondly, if you have given string like this, str1 is equals to, for example, forum, and str2 second variable kothari, and after that I try to add it like this, str1 plus str2. These two are wrong methods and will definitely not work, because over here we cannot use plus operator, right? So now how to do it? Basically, the correct method for this is strcat destination string comma source string. Now, what is destination string? Destination string is basically, destination string means name which we want to print first. Like for example, if I want to print Bhavya Patel like this. So if I want Bhavya to come first, then I would write it over here on the first, means left side, and I want Patel to be written after that, then I would write that part in this source string in that manner. See, source string means like surname, as I said, Patel, which you want to print last. After that comes an example. But remember this thing that what it does is that after ds, that is forum, compiler writes forum slash 0. But here instead of writing slash 0, because of strcat, instead of slash 0 it will write ss. As you have watched my previous video, in that I have taught you that after writing any word of a string, compiler automatically adds a slash 0 after a string ends. But over here, when we use strcat, in this case, what it does is basically after destination string is printed completely, compiler automatically adds source string and not slash 0. Remember this thing, right? After that, so thank you guys for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Programming Guru. Thank you guys.